Chapati, a staple in many South Asian households. The cornerstone of many South Asian meals, chapati is more than just food. It's a tradition, a comfort, and a versatile companion to countless dishes. It's a simple flatbread with endless possibilities. Made from whole wheat flour, water, and a pinch of salt, chapati is both nutritious and delicious. You can enjoy it with curries, stews, or any savory dish. Its soft texture and mild flavor make it the perfect accompaniment. Use it as a wrap, filled with your favorite ingredients for a quick and healthy meal on the go, or even snack on it plain, perhaps with a bit of butter or jam for a simple yet satisfying treat. Today we're going to demystify the process of making soft and fluffy chapati. From mixing the dough to cooking it to perfection, we'll cover every step. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With a little practice, you'll be making chapati like a pro. With a few simple steps, you'll be enjoying homemade chapati in no time. The satisfaction of making your own chapati is unmatched. So, are you ready to get started? Gather your ingredients and clear your workspace. Let's gather our ingredients and embark on this culinary adventure. Flour, water, salt, and a bit of oil are all you need. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound chapati making skills. There's nothing quite like sharing homemade chapati with loved ones. Making chapati doesn't require a pantry full of exotic ingredients. In fact, you probably have most of them already. Here's what you'll need. Atta flour. This is finely ground whole wheat flour and the key to authentic chapati. Warm water helps activate the gluten in the flour, crucial for soft chapati. Salt, a pinch enhances the flavor. Oil, optional. A little oil added to the dough can enhance its softness. That's it. See, I told you it was simple. Now that we have our ingredients lined up, let's move on to the heart of the process, making the dough. Now let's make the dough. The foundation of any great chapati starts with the dough, and getting it right is crucial. This is where the magic starts to happen. Begin by measuring out your atta flour. The quality of the flour can make a big difference in the texture and taste of your chapati. In a large bowl, add your measured atta flour. Make sure to use a bowl that's big enough to allow you to mix comfortably. Add a pinch of salt. This enhances the flavor of the chapati, giving it that perfect balance. Now, gradually add warm water while mixing the flour with your hand. The water should be warm, not hot, to help the dough come together smoothly. Keep mixing until a dough starts to form. It should be slightly sticky but not too wet. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. This process is essential as it develops the gluten, which gives the chapati its structure. You want it to become smooth and elastic. This indicates that the gluten has been properly developed. Once done, form the dough into a ball. This makes it easier to handle and roll out later. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial as it allows the dough to relax. This allows the gluten to relax, resulting in softer chapati. The dough should feel soft and pliable, ready to be rolled out and cooked to perfection. Section 4. Shaping your chapati. Our dough has rested and now the fun part begins, shaping the chapati. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls. Dust your work surface with flour. Using a rolling pin, roll each ball into a thin circle. Don't worry if it's not perfectly round, rustic charm is encouraged. The key is to apply even pressure while rolling to ensure a consistent thickness. If the dough feels sticky, sprinkle a little more flour on top. Now, our rolled out chapatis are ready for the hot tawa. Section 5. Cooking to perfection. Today, we are diving into the art of making the perfect chapati, a staple in many Indian households. This simple yet delicious flatbread is a cornerstone of Indian cuisine, and mastering it can elevate your cooking skills to a whole new level. The tawa, a flat griddle, is our weapon of choice for cooking chapati. It's essential to have the right tools to achieve the best results. A well-seasoned tawa ensures even cooking and prevents the chapati from sticking. Heat your tawa over medium heat. This step is crucial because if the tawa is too hot, the chapati will burn, and if it's too cold, it won't cook properly. Patience is key here. Once hot, carefully place a rolled-out chapati on it. Make sure the dough is evenly rolled to ensure uniform cooking. The thickness of the chapati should be just right, not too thick and not too thin. Let it cook for about 30 seconds, or until you see small bubbles forming on the surface. These bubbles indicate that the heat is penetrating through the dough, cooking it evenly. Now, flip it over and cook the other side for another 30 seconds. This step ensures that both sides are cooked evenly, giving the chapati a nice, even texture. You'll notice the chapati puffing up. That's what we want. This puffing is a sign that the chapati is cooking perfectly, creating those lovely layers inside. Press gently on the puffed areas with a clean kitchen towel to encourage even cooking. This helps in making sure that the chapati is cooked thoroughly and has a soft texture. Once both sides have golden brown spots, remove the chapati from the tawa. These golden brown spots are a sign of a well-cooked chapati, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Enjoy your perfectly cooked chapati with your favorite curry or side dish. Section 6. Serving and storing your chapati. Congratulations, you've made a soft and fluffy chapati. As each chapati comes off the tawa, you can brush it with a little melted ghee or butter for extra flavor and richness. Serve them hot with your favorite curry dal, or use them to make wraps. To store leftover chapati, let them cool completely, and then wrap them in aluminum foil. This will help retain their softness. Reheat them on a tawa or in the microwave when ready to eat. Enjoy!